Hi, Steve Lazarus here again from the claims desk. Alternative accommodation, or AA for short, is provided by insurers as an extension to your household policy. Quite often, this is either added to your buildings insurance and/or your contents insurance. Just because you have damage to your home does not automatically mean that you are entitled to claim for AA. Most policies will allow this if the damage is so severe that your home is now uninhabitable, and this normally means that you cannot sleep, cook, bathe, etc. in the property. It may also be that there are health and safety issues at play. Insurers will frequently refuse to accept that you may need to move out, even if there is good evidence to suggest that you should not be living there anymore. They do expect you to put up with some degree of inconvenience, but where do you draw the line? You should also be aware that they will only pay for the reasonable costs of alternative accommodation for the necessary period it should take to repair your home. And this in itself can cause problems, as if you only need to move out for a few days or weeks, the cost of a hotel can be prohibitive, whereas you won't necessarily want to rent a property for a minimum of say 6 months. Then of course there is the thorny question of what is reasonably comparable accommodation. If you live in a 3-bedroom house and there are 2 of you who need separate rooms, insurers will only pay for a 2-bedroom house, not the 3-bedroom property you're used to. Next, you'll need to see how much you are covered for. Many policies will have a limit of cover on the buildings or contents insurance. Sometimes if the repair goes on for a long time, you may find that you do not have enough cover. It's also sometimes possible to agree with the insurance company who will allow you to stay with relatives or friends, if you can stand it, or for you to continue where you are, if at all possible. Now in these cases, it may be possible to agree what's known as a daily living allowance, but there's no rules or guidelines as to what is reasonable, just common sense. If you've suffered damage to your home, you may of course not need a loss assessor. But before you talk to insurers or their loss adjusters or sign any forms, ask for our free information. You can request our white paper, 6 Secrets for a Successful Property Insurance Claim, which you can download straight away. Or we can post out to you our unique book, 5 Deadly Sins That Can Destroy Your Insurance Claim. Either way, we want to help educate you so that you are in the best shape possible to deal with your claim.